To learn more about earning college credits with study hall courses, go to gostudyhall.com or click the link in the description. No matter where you live, your government plays a huge role in your life. And here in the US, we have more than just one centralized government making those decisions. It's called the United States for a reason, because each state has a lot of power to determine things like how old you have to be to drive or how much money you'll get paid working a minimum wage job. And so our government is really complex. It has a lot of layers that have to work together to get anything done. Hi, my name is Dave Jorgensen, and I'm one of the hosts of Study Hall, Power and Politics in U.S. Government. You can also find me and my colleagues running the Washington Post TikTok channel, where we create informative, weird, and often chaotic videos about the news several times a day, every day, except weekends. We take breaks on the weekends.
Of course we take breaks on weekends. Anyways, I'm Carmela Boykin. The structure of the government isn't the only thing that's complex. There's also the political process of how people who work for the local, state, and federal governments actually make laws or strike down old court rulings that affect us all. And whether they're nominated into their positions or elected by the people, it's critical that we hold our leaders accountable. Our government was designed to make sure that we have a say in how it functions, but who exactly got to be included in that we has changed a lot over time. And so has the way that our leaders interpret our laws. In just about 250 years, we've gone from being a loose collection of states that pretty much did as they pleased to being a decently well-organized union. But that didn't happen by accident. The people have fought hard to expand our civil liberties to include those who were discriminated against by the very country they helped to build.
Exactly. Because people in power don't just give it up, and that's definitely been the case when it comes to the US government. I'm Chris Vasquez, and I help run the Washington Post TikTok account with Dave and Carmela. Ordinary people have banded together to demand change, like through nonviolent sit-ins at lunch counters, forming unions, and other forms of activism. And today, people are speaking their minds through social media in an unprecedented way. And they can, because the right to free speech is protected by the Constitution. So in this course, our goal is to help you learn more about how and why to engage in politics, because participation is about more than just voting in elections. It's also about how understanding the system and getting involved in collective efforts can help you appreciate and make a difference in how our country works. If you're enjoying Study Hall, Power and Politics in U.S. Government,
and are interested in taking an online course and earning college credit,
go to gostudyhall.com or click on the button to learn more.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.